Hi, thanks for purchasing the Google Slides. This is an example of how you're going to take your new purchase of Google Slides, make a copy of it, and then create your own if you'd like to edit them. So what you're going to do is when you are done downloading the purchase, you're going to go to the last slide. You've already, I suppose, clicked on the how-to video, what you're watching now. So you're going to click on the Google Slides purchase. It's going to ask you, would you like to make a copy? You're going to make a copy of the product. And once you have downloaded it, you're going to want to name it something. So whenever I purchase something new and I want to have it be the main one, that just means it's the one that I won't delete from. But if you want to create your own using these slides, you're going to make a copy. I personally just make a copy of the whole slides. And then I like to use my morning slides in the morning every week. So I would name it whatever week we were starting. And I click it there. And then after I make the copy of the copy, and here it is with the date, then this is what my students will see when they open it up the morning of, say, September 1st, 2020. So, for example, if you like the welcome to our class slide, great. But if you want to personalize it, you're going to find the one that you want to be the first, and you'll just carefully move it up. Once you move it up, then you can get rid of that one you didn't like. And then to personalize, you go to the text box, and you're just going to want to welcome to the week of September 1st through September 5th. And then kind of make it a little larger. You can position it. If you like certain fonts that you have on your computer, you can use that. So you're just kind of making it more connected. I always love that one. More connected to your students and what their needs are. So you can kind of go through. If you like to use the schedule, great. But if you're like, nope, I want to go straight to the announcements, same deal. You can edit it just by going up here to the text box. Welcome back. I hope your weekend. So you can just kind of type, write maybe a little note to them, maybe explain what's going to be happening this week. You can also announce maybe when your virtual meetings are or when your office hours are. So you're kind of going through and just picking. If you don't want that one, you just kind of delete. Quote of the week. I always add a quote of the week to each of the morning slide products. But if you like your own, you could just delete this and then, of course, come up with your own quote for the week. So that is exactly how simple it is. You're just going to make sure you have downloaded the main one, you've made a copy, and then on the copy, this is where you are going through and just deleting what you feel you need, what you don't need. I personally don't like to do per subject, so I do what is due Monday, what is due Tuesday. So I would use these, but if you prefer the subjects, that's why they're there. And if you accidentally delete something and you want to go back, or if you're not quite sure what the other slides are, but you want to kind of see what you want to keep, go through. There's over 30 slides, so there's a lot. And then, of course, the empty ones, if you want to add more of those too, you can always add more by duplicating. That's not a blank one, but you like down here. If you just wanted a bunch of the blank ones and you're going to type activities for them, you can just do it that way. All right, I hope this was beneficial, and thank you so much. If you love using Google Slides like I love Google Slides and you want different themes, this was my lemonade theme, but if you go to Teaching Kiddos one store on Teacher Pay Teacher, there are more examples of what you can use. Bye, thanks.